Hi there. So right now we are going to install the corporate theme. So if you look at our site right now, we are using the free theme. So what I recommend in terms of the corporate theme is that you can head down to the free WordPress tools and you scroll all the way down. There is a various promotion like the WordPress layout solution under the theme forest. Okay, so if you click this, it will directly link you to this latest 2018 best-selling WordPress theme. And for the corporate site that I highly recommend will be using the 7. So in this case, let me show you the 7 corporate theme. So first, we will head down to our WordPress and let's go to our appearance and themes. This is where our current themes currently is this 2017. So we want to install the corporate theme. You can actually, once you actually purchase, you click on this link, you can actually purchase. But once you purchase already, you can actually do a download and then you can add new and followed by upload. So you can actually do an upload. Another way will be you can locate it in your file manager where the theme is all saved right here. So you can actually upload from here and doing the extraction. So in this case, let me show you right here. Upload, find your file. So while it's actually doing the upload, let me show you one setting that you actually need to enable. So the setting is the WordPress itself or the server itself has always a limit in terms of memory. So they actually limit you in terms of what size of file you can upload. So if you want to configure the limitation of this uploading of the file size, you need to head down to this cPanel, okay, and you search INI, okay, multi PHP INI editor, and what setting will actually appear? The setting will, whatever you save here will actually save into your HTSS file. So let's head down to the HTSS file, which is located at SEO Tools, File Editor. Okay, so this is the current setting where we have the SSL and the default WordPress setting. So it's just like this. And if you head down to this INI and we select the domain that we want, and if we want to execute maximum execution time in terms of what script that you're trying to run, the default was 90. So I have my system set as 180, and the maximum input value, where the maximum value per request, so I set as 5,000. By default, if you engage a third-party server, they will normally give you 1,000 or even lower, and the memory limit is set as what I set as 256. But the only setting that always change is this, which is the post max size, where the post max size will actually affect the file upload. Default was actually 32 or maybe 8 meg. So I leave it as 256 meg, okay, and then I just click on apply. So I click on apply, the successful apply settings has been changed. If we refresh this file editor of this HTSS file, you will see that there's some additional code is being added. So let's go ahead, refresh. So you can see that the file editor has actually done for you, the setting has been saved directly. So with that, this is how you increase the server memory to your WordPress. So let's take a look at our upload. It's done. Once its upload is done, it's turned into green color. And then you can close and you will head back to your file manager, where you can select this file, right click and click on extract, or there is an extract button on the header. So you can click on extract and just click on extract file. So once the file is extract, you can just close it. If you want to refresh, you can either press refresh or you can just click on the go button here. So the file folder is already installed. So let's head down to our appearance theme. So you can see that the appearance theme, we got new theme file, which is the 7. And if we take a look at our homepage default is this layout. And once we click on activate, okay, the 7 is being activated. And we look at our homepage by clicking refresh. So our homepage, we have our header with our menu, our page title, and our content. Okay, so this is where the theme is being installed. So the first initial setting for having your homepage to look nicer is definitely not showing this, because we do not want to show this, and we do not want to show the widget, which is a sidebar. So by removing these two, we just want to have our content and play around with the content to have your own perfect layout. So by doing that, removing the page title and the sidebar, we just head down to edit page, located at your top bar. So just click it. So we're back into our edit in the page of your home page. So by removing the page title, is located just below here, the page header option. Show page title, hide page title. And for the sidebar, it's located at the sidebar on the admin console, which is showing right. We can choose as disable. So once done, we can either do a preview change, which it will not save. Okay, we'll take a look. So the page title and the side menu is gone. Then we can actually conform by pressing save. And let's say we want to have this to be in the center. Okay, and we press update. So once update, we can either click on view page or click on the update saying that the page is update. So we can actually do a right click and take a look. So the content is right in the middle. Okay, so this is how you actually install a corporate site. And for my recommendation in terms of plugin, let me show you some of the plugin that should be recommended. So you just head down to the plugin, add new. So the most important for SEO for your page plugin will be restore some of the plugin. Restore link title. So restore link title is where you always has a missing title. This is very important for ranking in terms of SEO, having an on page. This what is link? Link is where the hyperlink. So when people mouse over the hyperlink, it will also have this title. We call that title attribute. So we will just activate that. Another one that is missing is the image. So restore image title. So this is where you restore the image title. You will restore the title attribute when the image are inserted into the post. Okay, so this is part of the tool SEO that helps a lot. Another one will be the security, where I recommend you to use all-in-one WP security. For this, check out my next module. I will show you what is the setting recommended to set up. So I'll leave this as non-activated first. So the next one, if let's say you want to know the analysis of your Google, okay, you can also check out my next module on the Google, how to add the Google. But in terms of plugin, you can also check it out. Just type in Google Analytics, and you can install this one. This one will be easily view your Google Analytics in real-time statistics inside the WordPress. WordPress located where? Actually located at the dashboard home area. But you need to you need to do the linking. So I will just not activate it. Check out my next module where I'll show you how to install that. So if you have any question, you can let me know. So this is the module of installing the corporate theme.